Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with exercise number 2.3 and we have started with the word problems. In this session we are going to learn some of the word problems. So dear students, look at the question here. So here Rahim was standing at a distance of 5.36 feet from a plane mirror. What is the distance of his image from him? The question says very easy, imagination is very easy for this question. Rahim was standing at a distance of 5.36 feet from a plane mirror. What is the distance of image from him? Now just look at one example. If you are standing in the mirror side, so just you have to calculate the distance between you and that image. Okay, and just we need to calculate here Rahim's image. So what is the given thing, what we can write here? So distance between mirror and person you can write. So distance, so given distance between mirror and person, is how much? It is 5.36. Okay. Similarly, distance between image and person you can, if you can do, that is, you can write this as distance between image and person. It is vice versa. If you are standing on the mirror and if you are standing on the mirror, what is the distance between the image? If example it is x meter, then what is the distance between from mirror to, that is image to that person? Again it will be x only. Similarly here again it is 5.36 means distance between mirror and image is 5.36. Similar distance between image and person is again it is 5.36 plus 5.36. So if you calculate this both, what you are getting here? We are totally you are getting this as 5.36 plus 5.36. Okay, so again this 6 plus 6 is again 12. 1 carry again 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7. 5 plus 5 which is equals to 10. So the answer you are getting this as 10.72 feet. 10.72 feet. So the distance between the mirror and person is 5.36, and similarly if you calculate distance between the image and person, it is double of 5.36, that is 10.72. Okay, so pause the video to note down this problem. Hello 7th standard students, now comes to one more question of your exercise, that is 8th question. Mrs. Shasha bought 4 kg 250 gram of flour, 3 kg 50 gram of nuts and 350 gram of olive oil. What is the total weight? Okay, so what is the total weight? So see here, Mrs. Shasha bought 4 kg 250 gram of flour, 3 kg 50 gram of nuts and 350 gram of olive oil. What is the total weight? So you can write, so given so Shasha bought 4 kg, so total weight, so weight of flour, what you can write as weight of flour, that is how much it is? 4 kg 250 gram. Means what is, how we can write in decimals, and write the decimal as 4.250 gram. So this is the weight of flour, that is given question. Next we have weight of nuts. So what is the weight of nuts? Weight of nuts is how much? 3 kg 50 gram. 3 kg 50 gram. Okay, so weight of nuts is 3 kg 50 grams means 3.050 gram. Next, weight of nuts over. Next we have weight of olive oil. Weight of what we can write? Weight of olive oil. What we can write? That is 350 gram. 350 gram means I can write the decimal as 0.350 gram. Just now what you have to do? You have to do the addition to calculate the total weight. So total weight we need to find. So this is all about the given thing. So dear students, weight of the flour they are given as 4 kg 250 gram. Similarly, weight of the nuts is 3 kg 50 gram as per the question. Similarly, weight of the olive oil is 350 gram and we need to calculate the total weight. If you want to calculate the total weight, just you need to addition. Just you need to do addition. So 4 kg 250 gram, I can write this as in the form of decimals as 4.250 gram. Similarly, 3 kg 50 gram, I can write as 3.050 gram. Similarly, 350 gram, I can write as 0.350. So just we do the simplification. 4.250. Similarly, 3.050. Similarly, 0.350. You need to do this addition. So 0.555. It is 15. 1 carry. 2 plus 3 is 5. It is 6. Point. Again 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. So it is 7.650. So total weight is 7.650, means it is 7 kg 650 gram. 7 kg 650 gram is your required answer. Okay, so I hope so you have understood this answer. So pause the video to note down this calculation and simplification. Hello dear students, we have one more question of your exercise number 2.3. Just I will dictate the question and I will solve this answer. So see here, next question we have Quintal participated in a 10 kilometer triathlon. He ran for 5.1 kilometer, cycled for 4.2 kilometer and the rest he swam. What is the distance did he swim? Okay, so this is the question. First I will write the given thing to note down the better understanding. For the given thing I will write, so that is total distance. So that is 9. Total distance I can write this as how much they are given according to the question, that is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. Next we have distance ran according to the question, how much they are given? They are given as 5.1 kilometer. Similarly, distance cycled. Yes, distance cycled is how much according to the question? It is 4.2 kilometer. Okay, so what we need to calculate? Distance swam. So distance swam we need to calculate. So this is according to the question. So distance swam, how will do? That is, we need to do subtraction. So okay, so total distance they are given as 10 kilometer. Distance ran is 5.1 kilometer. Distance cycled is equals to 4.2 kilometer. We need to calculate for distance swam. According to this is the given thing in the question. So how will calculate distance swam? That is 10 minus 5.1 minus of 4.2. So we need to calculate this. First I will, so you already know, whenever you are having the two negative integers, whenever you are having the two negative numbers, you need to add, and when minus sign you need to keep as it is. So see here, first I will do calculation of this point. So it is minus 5.1 and it is 4.2 minus. So whenever we are having the two decimal numbers of negative, just you need to add, and minus sign you need to cap as it. So minus sign I will keep this as it is. So it is 2 plus 1, it is 3. Similarly 5 plus 4 is 9. So now it is 10 minus 9.3. It is 10 minus 9.3. Now you need to calculate this 10 minus 9.3. So obviously it is 0.7, but according to your decimal part, you calculate this is 10 and this is 9.3. Means again this is again the unlike and like decimals, so just make this unlike decimals to like decimal, just increase 1 0. So just we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 3 is equals to 7, 1 carry. So if you do carry, it is 10 minus 10 is 0, it is 0.7 kilometer. So distance swam is totally is 0.7 kilometers. So this is the according to your question and answer. So just to copy this, total distance is equals to 10 kilometer, distance ran is equals to 5.1 kilometer, distance cycle is 4.2 kilometer, and distance swam is 10 minus 5.1 minus 4.2. First you do the addition of 5.1 and 4.2, minus sign you keep as it is, as we have learned in the integers. So it will get this 5.1 plus 4.1, 4.2 is 9.3, minus sign you keep as it is. So now after that 10 minus 9.3 is 0.7 kilometer. Pause the video to note down. Okay, and one more question I am going to solve from your exercise, that is 10th question. So see all of you, 10th question. So 10th question says, according to your decimals, that is what must be added to 294.315 to get 301.5, means what we have to write. So see, according to the question I can write this as, we have 10th one, we have that is 294, I can write according to the question I am writing the given thing, 294.315 plus what must be added, I will just use as plus k, which is equals to 301.5. So this is according to the question. So the question says here, dear students, what must be added to 294.315 to get 301.5. So this is according to the question I am created the equation. So k is equals to, you can write this as 301.5 minus of 294.315. So this is according to the question. So according to the question I have taken these values, that is 294.315 plus of k is equals to 301.5. So see here k is equals to, I will solve this as 301.5 and this is 294.315, means again it is again in the form of like decimal, increase 1 0. So again this is subtraction. So this is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Similarly, one carry here, 10 minus 2 which is equals to 8. One carry here, 5 minus 4 which is equals to 1. And similarly, 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 which is equals to, again it is 7. Okay, and again one carry here, 10 minus 10 which is equals to 0. One carry it is 0. That is 7.185 is your required answer. So just you can verify. So this is 7.185 is your required answer. So k is equals to, if you do subtraction, what must be added? If you add this, you can verify this, 294.315. Okay, plus you can add this as 7.185. What must, so 5 plus 5 is again it is 10. Again one carry here, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. One carry 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 4 is again it is 11. One carry here, 9 plus 1 is again 10. So 301.50. So again LHS is equals to RH, means our k value is 7.185. So the k value is 7.185. So you can write as k is equals to 7.185. So this is your required answer. Okay. So I have solved some of the word problems from your exercise 10. Some more problems are there. We will solve in your next video. Up to that, pause the video to note down all these problems.